Danger. Danger. My name is Rollin Pitts, and tonight, downhill skateboarding. It's pretty cool. Birds, dangerous. When the two meet, chaos. Stefan Cater-Snyder was out for a rip with his friends. Little did he know that birds were about to strike. Watch closely and see what happens next. Approaching speeds of nearly 60 miles an hour, he's hit by a grouse. Getting speed wobbles almost instantly, goes down like a sack of bricks.
So what exactly happened? Well, I was taking a run with my friends down the road at the Burke Mountain Free Ride, and I was going pretty fast. And just out of nowhere, a full-blown grouse flies out of the brush and strikes me. And I didn't know what to do, so I fell down.
Did you get speed wobbles?
I got the wobbles left and right. That was the fastest wobbles I've ever gotten, and I was really scared the whole time. I thought I was going to get mashed by all of my friends, one after the other in a big train. They were all going to mash me.
There's a place called Hidden Valley, where kids not only eat their vegetables, they can't get enough. Hidden Valley Ranch.
We're back!
Alright, Mr. Bird, we are choosing to keep your identity anonymous for this interview. Tell us, how did it feel to be involved in this incident?
I just decided that it was a good time to fly across the road, and when I did, I hit that skater, and the first thing that was going through my mind was just, ah! 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 And then it was all over, and I was on the ground. And that's all there is to it.
So, in your normal day-to-day life, is it usually a problem to cross the road?
No, well, usually I just cross the road whenever I want, so I figured that even though he was coming, it was still okay. But clearly it wasn't, because when I flew into him, I stopped, and he kept going. So, I guess it wasn't the right time to cross the road. Usually it's not a problem, though, no.
Now, it looks like it was a pretty serious accident. Are there any injuries that you've suffered that have led you to be crippled in your day-to-day life?
Well, other than the hundreds of broken bones, my bird bones are a lot more fragile than human bones, so I broke all of mine, all of them. So there's that. And other than that, I now, it's actually been a good thing, because now I understand that if there's something in the road, you actually can't cross the road, instead of crossing the road at that time. So it's been a learning process for me. But I broke all my bones.
Having no bones, does that affect your sex life at all?
Well, the deal is that although my bones were broken and had to be removed, I still can maintain an erection.
That's incredible.
But that's the only one. It's the only bone.
Wow, inspirational stuff.
There's no other bones.
How do you feel about birds now?
I can't stand the sight of them. I wet myself every time I see a bird. I can't go outside anymore. It's awful.
So, hypothetically, if you were to see the man who did this to you walking around in the street, what would you do?
I would I'd murder him. Right there.
What would be your instrument of choice in such a scenario?
Not sure. Probably a gun, a gun that a bird could use. Being as all guns are designed for humans, I'd need a bird gun, but a bird gun would be good for that. So a bird gun.
Some people say cigarettes are dangerous. Those people clearly haven't heard of birds. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Bird Strike on Ranch TV.
I could stay awake just to hear you breathing. Watch you smile while you are sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with...
I'm Ron Pitts for Ranch TV's Bird Strike. You may think extreme sports are great. I don't.